Hi friends, welcome back. This is PowerA charging station for Xbox controllers, and it is a dual charge station. So it comes with two batteries. It's AC powered. 1100 mAh is the capacity for each battery. The charging can be done on either side of the station, and while it is charging, it shows or glows in orange color. When charging is done, it glows in white color, and when charging is completely done, and once it is removed from the charging station, the Xbox controller, then it displays the LED off. Let's unbox it. In this charging kit, there are four lids and two batteries, the charging station itself and power adapter. And it comes for a long time. Each battery, when charged, it comes with the brochure itself. And this is the charging station. Those are the points for charging. And this is the lid once we place the battery. So the points from the battery plugs into the charging station. That's a battery on four sides. This is while charging. I have a white controller. Thanks for watching.